Mike is so smart. All right, ready? Okay. Okay. Hi, welcome to Mom's Pump Here. Hashtag the pink life. I'm Priya.
I'm Kim.
I'm Sue.
And today we're talking about what to do when you're nursing a baby, but you have a toddler or a preschooler or an older child around, because it can be really difficult. When I had my first baby, I felt like the world stopped when I was nursing the baby. Yeah, that's
I know. I was playing with this before.
So today we're going to talk about how you can occupy your older child while you're nursing a new baby. Because when I had like I just said, when I had my first baby, the house was so quiet, and you could sit in the nursing rocking chair, and you could put your feet up on the nursing stool, and it was all about you and your baby, and it was so nice.
You know, now that I think about it, like, that's so
nice.
true. I've never thought of it.
Oh, so nice.
How quiet it
Also,
was.
if you're pumping and you're using the bottle, you still have to,
Occupy.
Yeah.
Yes. So today I thought it would be a great idea to do that topic and to cover that topic, because I had my first two were 20 months apart. I know your first two were very close in age as well.
13 months apart.
Mine were 18 months apart.
Right. So we know what it's like to have a new baby, that you want to have all that cuddle time and all that nice, enjoyable moments together where you build up your supply, because you have to either nurse or pump so much when the baby first comes home. So here are a couple of little tips and tricks that you can take home with you and use in your own house. So first, try to coordinate nap time, which is a dream. Doesn't always happen.
Good luck.
But if you can do that, if you know that your older child is going to nap between 12 and 2, try to get in a good nursing session or good pumping session while the older one is down. That's a dream.
Take advantage of all the extra time you have.
Right, right.
And the best part is when they both nap at the same time.
Yes.
Now, as we sit here, I have a preschooler off camera playing with an electronic toy. I don't recommend that you do that. It does work really, really well. You can there's lots of electronic options, but this is not what we're talking about today. You want to be able to develop their intellectual
motor
interests
skills.
Their gross and fine motor skills.
Exactly. You want to do more than just say, okay, let's watch this TV show while mommy nurses.
Yeah, limit screen time as much as you can, although it's very convenient.
Yeah.
Yes. So if you're at somebody's house and you don't have the little toolkit available, yes, screen time is acceptable, but just try to use some other tools as well. What I did, I kept things either in a little bag or a little basket, and I made it a really special time for my older child. I kept toys that I only let them play with when I was feeding the baby. So then it became more of a joyful moment instead of a moment where mom was distracted. So if there's times where, like this set of books, we would only bring it out if I was feeding the older baby. Yes, this is very worn out. But it was a set of books that they only read, and I only read these stories to them when it was a special time. So that's one thing you can do. Everybody loves little tiny.
It says MPH if you can't see it.
MPH that I just erased. And they're just little tiny things that, again, like Sue said, they develop their fine motor skills, their gross motor skills, something they can grab. It's quiet.
When you go to craft stores or even like a local department store, sometimes like if you look in the dollar section, you'll find like some great
all these things
finds, like where it's it's inexpensive. And you
throw it in your bag. Throw it in a bag.
If you don't have toys, guess what else works? Tupperware.
It really does.
It's like the one thing. Well, pots and pans make noise, but give them the Tupperware, and they're like, happy for days.
Right. Like this toy here, you can sit, like you can help your child. It's called a plexus, and they make it for all different ages. And I'm not sure if this would work for somebody as young as 13 months.
Yeah.
But somebody who's 2.5, they can play with it.
And blocks. I mean.
Yeah.
And blocks is a great idea.
This is a great set too, because it's quilting, so it helps with pattern development. It's really hard, and as a mom, now you're splitting your attention, you're splitting your time, and you want to build that nice nurturing relationship with your new baby, but you don't want your older child to feel any
neglected.
sort of negative feeling.
Yeah, you don't want the older one to think that, well, this new one is taking my time up.
Right. This new one is.
I know, Jaden definitely felt that.
Now I got to share my mom. I mean, like Same
My
thing.
kids still fight over
You know,
me.
I think it was the second day that Tyler was home. I remember Troy walking up to him because Troy was an early.
Tiny.
Well, he was only 13 months, but he already was at that point walking.
Yeah.
He was
And they're smart.
And he was like looking. He was being nice, and then all of a sudden he bit his toe. And I'm like, oh my god! And, and you saw like little teeth marks on his, Tyler's toes.
Are you tearing up?
Yeah. Yeah. But now, you know what? Karma, because now Tyler's
Taller than him.
bigger than him. Almost, yeah. So and I told him that. I go, you better be nice to your brother, because one day he'll be bigger than you.
But Tyler's the sweetest kid. Yeah.
Your older child can help more than you realize.
Yeah.
And then it gives them a sense of involvement.
Yes.
And they feel like they are helping you, helping mommy. And
Yeah,
mommy's
like,
the most important person.
Mommy's helping.
And I'm sure, and they'll sure rub it in when they get older. I helped mommy take care of you.
I wiped your butt when you were a baby.
Exactly. I don't know if this worked for you. This worked for me growing up, and for my family growing up. My sister is 2 years older than I am. And my mom prepared my sister very well, and she gave her her own baby, her own baby doll.
Oh,
she gave her
smart.
her own wagon, and she gave her a little shopping cart. So when my mom did the shopping, my sister brought her baby in her shopping cart, and then my mom brought me, and then my mom tells me that really helped out a lot.
Yeah.
A good rule is to find out what works in your house, what works
Exactly.
for your family, what works for your child, because having an older child help out is tremendously beneficial.
Yeah.
But if your older child just wants to come over and bop the little baby on the head, maybe not involving them is a better idea.
Or getting maybe their own little like stuffed animal and saying like, okay, well now you gotta take care of your stuffed animal. Like, okay, I'm changing the baby's diaper, you gotta change your stuffed animal's diaper.
It's a good idea to have items around that are easily accessible. You can quickly take them. They're quiet, but they're also engaging, and they're it keeps the child busy while you're busy building a new relationship with your new
Coloring
baby.
books too.
Yeah.
Distract your older child with books, with toys. You can do the electronic version if you want to. But in the meantime,
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
find us on Facebook, Twitter,
Instagram.
And download our app on all platforms.
all the major platforms.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
thanks.
Yes.
Bye. If you like this video, click here to subscribe. If you want to watch more videos like this, click here. And if you would like to download the Moms Pump Here Nursery Locator app, click up here.